Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. So in this Facebook Graph API video series, till here we have checked how we can get the access token from Facebook Graph API and use that access token to get the user information dynamically and get the user login implemented in our Java project. Okay, so I'll run this project again here just for demonstration. I'm just selecting run as Java project run as server, and let me open my Chrome browser. I'm just pasting there. You can see here there is a login button and it's already logged in, so my profile information is coming here. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything new in this video. I'm just going to update a little bit here. As you can see here, I'm passing the access token through the URL passing. I'll hide that in this video. I'll show you how you can hide it and make a small front end for the project. Okay, the first one, what you have to do, what you are going to do is this is the index.jsp page. We'll modify this index page a little bit, and we can create a small design login page, not much one. For a demonstration, I'll create a small table and look like a project, a live project. Okay, so let me add some code here, and I'll explain what I have done, what the changes I have done here. So I have just created a small table here. So this is the table tag. I have given a center tag first and said that there is a table and there is two rows here. The first row I have first row I have given a heading login with Facebook, and the second row I am giving the code of our login button. Directly cut that and paste it here. Okay, now there will be a small change here. So this is the this is Internet Explorer. This was the one which without the table. Now if I'm just refreshing this one, you can see here there's a small a table like login with Facebook. I'm not going to design it more. So basically this will be our login page, and as I have explained, from index page we are directly going to sign in controller where we are getting the access token. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this access token and save that access token in the session. Okay, so we can use that for more API requests. Okay, so in the profile bean I'm going to create, so the profile bean is here in the Java resources. You can see here profile bean is here. I'm going to create one more variable. The variable name I'm giving it as access token, and same way I'm going to create a getters and setters for that. Okay, now in the sign in controller, once the access token is received, and we are passing that access token here to the call me method of the obj profile model. After that I am setting that access token into the same object here. You can see here, and from I'm just cut this thing, the name, email ID, profile image, everything from here, and pasting it in a notepad here. Okay, now from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this obj profile bean to a session variable, and in the web content I'm going to create a new JSP page. The page name I'm giving it as profile page. Okay, so basically this will be our profile page, and this sign-in controller we are using only to set the access token to the session and other information to session. To create the session, the syntax is session dot set attribute. We have to give a key and value. Okay, so the key I'm giving it as you can give any keyword name. Okay, so I'm giving the name as what will be like FB user session. Okay, we can give any name, so we should use the same name everywhere else in the other pages. Okay, so FB user session, and the session variable which we have to give is obj profile used bin. Okay, so once the session is set, we have to forward this to the profile page. Okay, so I'm using the JavaScript for that to redirect the page. So script JavaScript, it will be like window dot location dot href. Okay, so we can directly call that session, I mean call that page, so it will be redirected to the profile page. Okay, now copy this from here, paste it here, profile.jsp, and in the profile page I am directly giving a name as profile page just for demonstration. Now I have to restart the server from here and going back to our project. Let me refresh the project from here so that I can, if I'm just trying to log in here, as you can see it will ask for the login. So if I'm just logging in here, you can see here it is redirect to profile.jsp. so till the update which we have done now, it was taking to the sign-in controller, and it was showing the access token directly here. Okay, and we have just modified it to get the access token in the session, and we can use that in the further pages. Okay, to send the http request using graph API. Okay, so I'm going to add some more code here in the profile page, so it will look like a good one. Okay, so as in the index.jsp, I'm going to copy complete a table here and come back to the profile page, pasting it here. So we don't want this one, and giving the heading as a profile page, and I'm giving the column span as 2, so it will be as 2 columns, and here I'm giving my profile information. So the profile information I have saved it here, so I'm going to use this one itself, copy it completely from here and paste it here. So yes, first what you have to do is we have to get we have saved that our user information into the obj profile bin. Now we have to get that profile bin in this page. Okay, from the session. So in the top of the page, just create that create an object or obj profile bin, and directly get the session. Okay, so it will be like session dot get attribute, and we can give the key here. Okay, so the key is actually what we have given the sign-in control. It is the FB user session. Come back here and paste it here, and this directly import by pressing control space, and it's imported. Okay, now the name, email ID, and the profile picture will be shown here. Okay, now in this section I'm giving it as user post. So I'll show you what is this. Now let me no need to restart in the server. Now if I'm just refreshing the page, here it is. You can see here the profile page is coming here, and all other information. So we can remove the profile picture part here. We don't want that here. I'm just refreshing it again. You can see here the profile page is written there, and my name, email ID, and ID is there, and my profile image is here. Okay, now what we will do is we will call a new API request or HTTP request to get the user post of my Facebook profile. Okay, so in my next video I'll show you how we can get the user post from Graph API request and show that user post custom in our profile page.jsp. Okay, so I'm ending this video for now. If you have any doubt in this, please comment below. I'll be helping you, and please like and subscribe for my videos, and thanks.